Transport Minister Mike Henry says work is still being done to get things back to normal after air traffic control equipment was last Friday damaged by lightning.
The minister gave an update as he addressed Parliament this afternoon, where members of the opposition wanted to know just how long it will take before all systems will again be up and running. TVJ's Vashon Brown has that report.
The investigation into the full extent of the damage caused by Friday's lightning strike, which affected the Kingston Air Traffic Control Centre, is ongoing. Transport Minister Mike Henry told Parliament on Tuesday that approximately 67 flights at both international airports were affected after the system which helps them to land was struck by lightning.
We have sought approval to expedite extraordinary immediate procurement activities, which include sourcing and clearing of items, and is expected to cost approximately US $200,000 using emergency procurement route.
Mr. Henry says he has been advised that the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority has invested in a lightning protection system, which the Transport Minister says will go a far way in making sure this does not happen again. Opposition spokesman on transport Michael Phillips wanted to know whether stakeholders were in the loop about what was happening.
I saw a tweet by your Minister of Information that all would come to normalcy by tomorrow with a follow-up press release by the JCAA that there is no guarantee that will happen. And obviously, Minister, that the communications seem to be some bungling taking place.
All the notices were given under the procedures. I myself personally spoke to the operators of Sangster, and the CEO of NMIA and I were in constant contact at all times, and everything was issued in relation to it, and we got the 67 flights off the ground.
So is everything back to normal now? That's the question Opposition Tourism spokesman Dr. Wickham McNeil wanted answered.
As I speak to you, the flights in and out, all scheduled flights, are fully accommodated at both airports, Sangster and Norman Manley. There are still continuing research that needs to be done for some parts to bring us back to full circulation as it relates to operation, so that everything is safe to leave in and out in scheduled flights. And the one issue that was related to a charter flight coming out to Germany, all the notices of the time to arrive and the time to depart within that limit is in place.
So just for clarity, you're saying that there's still some impairment to the system. However, you have been able to manage around these impairments to get it working adequately. If so, when do you expect to be fully back on board with all systems operational?
The minister says he expects things will return to normal in the shortest possible time. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.